Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Okay, this is our product title for the KSF-OABE outsourced attribute-based encryption with the keyword search function for cloud storage. Okay, this is our abstract for the KSF-OABE. So in the domain of cloud, the cloud computing is a model for enabling services, uses ubiquitous, convenient and on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. In the cloud computing becomes increasingly popular for data owners to outsource this data to public cloud servers here while allowing intended data users to retrieve this data stored in the cloud. So here this is the kind of computing model brings challenges to the security and the privacy of data stored in the cloud. Here we will processing as data as the cloud storage with attribute based encryption ABE technology has been used to design fine-grained access control system which provides one good method to solve the security issues in the cloud setting. So however, the computation cost and the cybertext size, the most attribute-based encryption schemes grows with the complexity of the access policy. Here the outsourced attribute-based encryption with the fine-grained access control system can largely reduce the computation cost for users who want to access encrypted data stored in the cloud by outsourcing the heavy computation to cloud service provider. Okay, this is our flow diagram for the KSF-OABE for the outsourced attribute-based encryption and the domain of cloud. So the cloud means we can use it our data for anywhere in the world. So this is the concept of cloud, and here this cloud using we will encrypt our data to be stored in the cloud. This is our concept. So first of all, we will create in the profile. Profile is the registration for existing users. The new users, and the new user is come to the cloud. They enter the users details. So this is our profile. When the user is coming to the cloud, they enter the username and password. The username and password both are matched. Is go for the process. The process means when the users come to the cloud, which process they are choosing. The user is choosing upload or download. Suppose the user is choosing to the processing as upload, the user is to be upload the data or stored into the data on the cloud computing. So first of all, the user is to get the key for the TPA. TPA means third party auditor. He is the key provider. So the user is asking. So the user is asking to the TPA to get the key. So the suppose the user is valid or invalid. The TPA is verification for the about key user. So suppose the user's user details are true, the TPA is key providing for the some particular key. So after getting the key, the user is going to the encrypt the data. The data encryption is to be performed on attributes based encryption. Suppose for example, we are choosing the some person, the person's name, the user says username, ID, roll number. These are some attributes. So here some attributes based we will perform the data encryption. So after the encryption, the data successfully to be stored in the cloud computing. So again the another user is to be download the given data. So the user is going to the download. So the user is going to the download, but the user directly do not download the particular data. So the user is request to the server. The server is response to the client. So the server is verifying the given client is authorized or unauthorized. Suppose the user client and the particular file is authorized, the CSP is give the access permissions. So the CSP is permission. So next to the users get the decryption key from the TPA. So after get the key, the user is to be decrypt the data. Now the data is decrypted. So the user is searching the particular files. So the file is varies in our systems or location. So the user is to be getting the file search using to get the file name and the file location. So again finally the users give the access permissions to be successfully to download the data. Okay, now the demo section is start for the attribute based encryption with the keyword search function. Okay, this is our home page. So next click the home. Let's go for the profile registration. So I enter the username Srijay. So the date of birth is 12/07/1992. So 1992. Our country is Germany. So the username is J. The password is new password is J. So validate is a valid password. So go for register. Enter the successfully. So click yes to yes. Register successfully. So the username and password. The username and password. So I enter the username and password. Both are matches. Go for next page. So this is a valid user. Go ahead. Okay. So now the data will be encrypted. So choosing the some particular files. So choosing the files as it's a file name, the given record is selected, the file path is selected. Okay, so go for file name. So this is our file clear.txt. So this is the file name E6AC2. This is our key. So go for encryption. So the file is encrypted. So this is our encrypted file. So go for next. The next one is the cloud storage upload data. So the user is to be attribute based so this is the attribute based encryption. So this is the attribute based encryption to be perform the data. Go for next. The next is the cloud storage. The cloud storage upload data. So choosing the some particular file based. So this is the file name as data.txt or this is the okay data.txt data dot okay. So this is again same file name means attribute based encrypted data.txt. So the file path is selected. This is the file name as data.txt. So this is the file name. Okay, so go for next. The next one is the cloud storage upload data. So choosing the file. This is the attribute based encryption with encrypted data. The data.txt. Okay, so selecting the particular cloud. So this is the multi clouds. For choosing the cloud 3, so upload the data. So again this is the key generation. For the page the data will be uploaded. So here we will get the key. This is our key. So again now to be stored in the cloud. So the cloud is assigned. So the file is received. So the cloud is stored. So this is the data. So the username is John. So this is the key. Okay, so go for next. This is the download. So the data is successfully to be stored into the cloud. So this is the file send. Okay, so this is the data successfully stored into the cloud. So download. This is the attribute based decryption. So this is our key. So when I click to the data will be decryption. So this is the file name. Attribute based is the decrypt file. So data.txt. So here this file also I encrypt the data. So this is the decryption for the Tamil Nadu as a very popular and honest state in India. So now the data will be decrypted. So go for next. So next user to download the given data. So select cloud 3. Load 2, load 3. So go for request and go for request. So next to be access the data, the users to be download the given data to be processed. So this is the accept data to be run. So this is the cloud name. So this is the receive request. So this is the cloud name. The file name is data.txt. So this is the file name. This is our key. So this is our key, so send key. So this is the receive key, so the key is to be null. Send file, so receive the download request. So enter the key. So enter the key. The key is to be successfully download the process. So send a file. So download. So now we'll click to the download. The data is to be successfully download the process. Okay, the demo is finished. Thanks for listening.